on your camera phone. Get a little bad, you watch me look down.
Hey girl, if you're a subscriber, welcome back, boo. And if you're new here, hey friend. Today I got something to show y'all. Your girl purchased a wig from Amazon for under $100. So if you're into everything fashion, beauty, lifestyle, hair, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button right now because you're gonna want to stay. Let's get into it. So I purchased this curly wig from Amazon because we're in the middle of spring right now in H-Town, and with summer approaching, your girl needed a curly wig. So I ordered it from this company I've never ordered from before, this hair vendor. So I am going to go ahead and unbox it with you. This is my first time actually unboxing this. So it came in this sack here. So the first thing I see is a weaving cap. So they gave your girl one of these. Okay, so they give you the 5D lashes too. This is pretty cute, not bad. Your girl is into like straight clusters now, okay? Ever since that mascara trend, I've been just doing the lash clusters. I haven't really been doing these, but you know, it can be my backup. So, and they're pretty cute. Now for the star of the show, we have an 18-inch curly wig, okay? So it's 18 inches and it's actually a V-part wig. For those of you who follow my channel, y'all know I'm very big on U-part wigs, V-part wigs, and even headband wigs. When getting it out of this package, it doesn't really have a funny smell, so that's a good sign. It comes in this hairnet. So this part is supposed to be the V. They have this connected right here, but you can always cut this. And I love the fact that this V part has clips. It has these here at the scalp, and then this too in the middle. And then of course you have a comb here, and then the adjustable straps as well. So you have comb here, comb here, comb here. So I don't really like to try on wigs or put on wigs until after I wash them. So I'm gonna wash this wig and I'll be back. Okay, I am done washing the hair. Let me show y'all how it turned out. It's just a tiny bit damp, but I did go ahead and cut that piece that was kind of holding the V part together, and it kept this curl. As you can see, very tight curls for the girls. As I was co-washing the hair, I did notice some shedding, and I'm not really used to that because normally when I get curly wigs and I wash for the first time, it doesn't shed that much. Maybe just a little bit, but not that much. So we're gonna see how this wig does as time goes on. But this wig was under $100, literally 66 bucks for an 18-inch. So I mean, you can't really beat that, you know what I mean? And like I said, this is something that is needed for the summer. So what we're gonna do is we are going to prep our hair and put this wig on. So I did decide to put this in a low bun because I don't know how to braid, and then I also like to leave a little bit of my hair out. As you can see, I did prep the hair, so I am going to go ahead and put this on. The first thing I want to do is adjust these straps here because they have little slots. So I just wanted to give y'all a view lengthwise of how this long this hair is on me. I am 5 feet, in case y'all were wondering. I'm a shorty. Okay, so this hair like comes down the middle of my back, as y'all saw. So I applied the clips. It's in there, y'all. It's in there. So basically all I have to worry about is blending my hair to this. Now I am relaxed. So in order to blend my hair, what I like to do is I like to twist my hair. Okay, I like to twist it. So I'm gonna do a basic middle part, not a crooked one but a basic one. Let's re-straighten that. Child, what is this? What is this? This is not straight. Okay, I guess it's better. Yeah, that's way better. Okay, we here. We got it. We got a straight part, as straight as I can get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on my dry scalp. And I'm using tea tree oil, by the way. About to run out. I have a really dry scalp, and like sometimes I'll be having like flakes or whatever. So yeah, you've been warned. I did wash my hair. I just need to get some really good shampoo for like my dry like scalp. But anyways, next, got a spray bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my leave out. And I'm also gonna take my Smooth and Hold hair pudding. This is what I use for my ponytails, because I don't really like to just dump a whole bunch of gel on my hair, especially when like I'm doing a ponytail that's not supposed to last that long. I'll use the hair mayonnaise or hair pudding Smooth and Hold, and it'll hold my ponytail together. And then I'll use like gel or edge control for my edges, which is what y'all will see soon. But I'm just twisting this. I've also seen people like twist their hair in with the wig, so that's a good option too. Like take a little bit of the wig hair with it, just a little bit, not too much. Like this is good enough. And you put it on there, and then you just twist them together so that way it'll blend better. So now that we did that, I am going to lay my edges. I got a clean edge brush, y'all, a clean edge brush, because I took the time to basically let it soak in some lukewarm water and some dishwashing liquid, preferably Dawn. So that's a tip, y'all, if y'all want to clean y'all edge brushes. One of them was just too far gone, so I did throw it away. But yeah, so I am done basically prepping my hair for it to basically blend in. So but what I love about this hair is that you can do so many different hairstyles with it. Like for instance, you can do a ponytail. I prefer to do a low ponytail. If you're gonna do a high ponytail, the cap size, in my opinion, isn't small enough to do a full ponytail. Maybe somebody with a bigger head could get away with it, or maybe you can get away with it like if you were to do a high pineapple and then kind of have your hair wrapped around. But you can also do like a half up, half down style also if you wanted to. But honestly, you can do whatever. But I prep my hair so I can have it down so that way it can blend. So that's what I'm doing. But for now, I prepped it so that way my hair can blend, and then I'll let you know the results. So guys, this is the final look. I decided to actually style it some kind of way. I just basically twisted my leave out in with the curls from the wig, and just basically laid my edges using Edge Effect. This is my go-to for edge control. I get the extreme hold. I've tried every other edge control, y'all, and this is like the best edge control for me, in my opinion. This works for me. The other edge controls I've tried, they work really good the first few times, but after a while, baby, somehow, some way, it just stops working for me. It just stops working for me, or it'll leave a white residue. But this has not steered me wrong yet, and I've been using this for years. But I've tried to use other ones that people swear by, and it just does not work for me. So yeah. I also used a leave-in conditioner. I'm actually gonna link it down below. And then for, like, say what I recommend is, say you want to keep this style or you want to keep your edges, spray some Got2 bead on this and then wrap it up real tight at night, and then put on your satin scarf, put on your satin cap, and it'll be nice and fresh for the next morning. Now I actually have a satin pillowcase, but I still recommend a satin cap, okay? But yeah, this is the look. Curls are still as bouncy as ever. It's definitely giving body. Even after I put some leave-in conditioner in it, it still just has so much body. Like, the hair isn't weighed down at all, y'all. I absolutely love this wig. The only con to this wig, because y'all know I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, is the fact that it does shed. Like, this wig was shedding, like y'all saw when I was washing it, when I was co-washing this wig. I know wigs are supposed to have a little bit of shedding, especially curly wigs, but I had not combed that wig yet and it was shedding. So that's just a little con there. But honestly, I say this wig is a win for this to be under $100, okay? So let me know what y'all think in the comments, whether or not this is a fine or a dub. Just let me know. But I think it's a fine. And for under $100, you can't go wrong with a wig this quality. The wig will be linked down below. If you all like this video, remember to give me the big thumbs up. Also, make sure you click that subscribe button, because we are on the road to 1K. Okay? Okay. Until next time.